Hey guys, Super Flashlight Rail Productions. Well, it is the end of summer. Well, tomorrow will be September 1st. Today is August 31st. I had a great summer, except I hadn't started the premiere of Anuraag the Clown Dragon since I have a job at Cool Springs Cafe at the Country Club of Virginia. I go to work on Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays. So in this real quick video, well, I am almost finished with Anuraag's clown shoes. Well, my dad and I are almost finished with his clown shoes. And of course, we'll put... And of course, we'll put... Hold on. And of course, we'll put yellow fabric over the shoes, and then we'll put the green shoelaces on, and the shoe eyelets, and the shoe eyelets on, and it'll be pretty much about it. So that's about it for this real quick video. So like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. And I'll make a full one tomorrow after work.